Do you have a portable air conditioner, especially a DeLonghi Penguin? This has a signal right now that says HL with exclamation mark, and it's flashing. What does this mean? Well, I'm going to show you what this means and how to get rid of this. It's very easy. So this flashing light here means high level. It means that the reservoir inside that contains all the water from condensation, either using this as an air conditioner, a heat pump, dehumidifier, the reservoir is full and it needs to be drained. Now we don't have a drain hose on the back. You can install a drain hose, and so this won't happen, but we have it here in our living room, so we need to drain it. So the first thing you do is unplug the unit from the wall. Then we're going to disconnect the vent hose, which is very easy to do. On the back of the unit, there is a drain plug right here. I'm not going to pull that out. All you have to do is pull it out. Water will come out. I'm not going to do it here on my living room floor. As you can see, we've got a little layer here to kind of keep any drops from getting on our hardwood floor. So I'm going to take it outside and drain it, plug it back up, bring it back in, and reconnect it, and it'll work. So find a convenient place to drain it. An easy place for us is just to bring it out on our porch, put it up the top of the stairs, and I'm just going to pull this plug and you'll see the water come out. There you go, the water is draining, and so you want to let this go until it's fully stopped flowing, and then I'll reinsert the plug. Try not to tip it too much, as tipping these units isn't really great for the Freon inside, so you can just let it drain out. And you could tip it a bit, but you might find that the water will start coming over the top of the reservoir, but a little bit of a tip, a short angle, should help the rest of it come out. Okay, looks like it's pretty much drained, so I'm going to push this in, make sure you get that all the way in, and we'll go back inside and turn it on. So I've brought our unit back in. I'm going to now reattach the vent hose. Okay, I've got the vent hose reattached. Let's plug this into the wall, and you'll notice that it should now come on. There's no longer an HL flashing symbol here. That's gone because we drained the water. Let's go ahead and turn this on. See that it comes back on. I've got it on the heat pump setting, so it will kick on here eventually. But that's how you take care of the flashing HL symbol on a portable air conditioner heat pump, especially the DeLonghi Penguino that we love. And I've got a link in the description for this unit if you want to pick one up for yourself. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.